Hello friends, good evening. In this segment of Sahakar Sutra, we shall be looking at the maintenance charges of the society. Friends, as you all are aware, a society is a non-profit organization. It is not supposed to make profits, and the only source of income for a society is the maintenance charges paid by all the members of the society every month. As this is the only source of income to the society, it is mandatory and a moral duty and responsibility of all the members to pay their maintenance charges to the society on time. No excuse should be given that I have this dispute against the society or society has not attended to that grievance of mine. Your disputes and grievances are different and the maintenance charges are different. Both have to be tackled separately and not intertwined with each other. And the members must pay maintenance charges to the society every month on time so that the office bearers of the society will not face difficulties in running the affairs of the society. Now, what are the maintenance charges? Friends, the maintenance charges are normally split into two portions. The first portion is the balance sheet items and the second portion is the service charges. Balance sheet items are normally levied on a per square feet basis and the service charges are levied on a door-to-door basis, that is, they are shared equally amongst all the members. What are the balance sheet items? They comprise of the reserve fund, the repairs and maintenance fund, the sinking fund, the insurance charges and the NA tax which every society has to pay every year to the collector's office. The sinking fund is a fund created for the future repairs and renovation and redevelopments of a society, and it is charged at the rate of 0.25% of the construction costs of that particular building. Repairs and maintenance funds are funds created for attending to regular repairs on a monthly basis, and that fund is charged at the rate of 0.75% of the construction cost of that particular building. But there is a big anomaly here. As the years go by and the societies get older, the buildings get older, the managing committee finds that the 0.25% of construction cost, which has been taken to be the cost of 20 years ago, is grossly inadequate. Hence, it is the managing committee's responsibility to be alert to this issue and at an interval of 5 to 10 years, as discussed by the general body and decided upon, they should revise this construction cost and the repairs and maintenance cost to match the needs of time. Now, the insurance charges are also levied upon all the members on a per square feet basis because that is also a very important item of the society maintenance. What are the service charges? Service charges are charges, your security charges, your sweeper charges, your electricity charges, your lift maintenance, then your garden maintenance. All these charges, which normally are common facilities enjoyed by all the members, come under the head of service charges, and they are to be shared equally by all the members of the society, and hence normally they are billed on a door-to-door basis. There are cultural activities which many societies or every society undertakes during the year. These include festival also. Now, the recent amendment to the bylaws state that a society cannot compulsorily charge any member any particular amount towards cultural or festival charges. That is so because a society comprises of people from all the religions, and we find that all religions are not celebrated every time in a society, and hence to do away with this discrepancy of some people contributing towards a particular fund and not getting any benefit out of it, it has been decided that the cultural charges shall not be charged to the members of the society under even any pseudonym name. The society can take voluntary donations or take sponsorships and spend money on cultural and festival items. This is as far as the maintenance charges of a society is concerned. The other aspects of society shall be looked into in the forthcoming episodes. Thank you.